What's up, it's QueenSit, and today I'm going to make it a little different. I'm on my motorcycle now, but I'm going to go home and get changed, and I'm going to meet up with my best friend because she is going to try crab legs for the first time. So we are headed to my aunt's house for a seafood boil, and you're going to meet my entire family. So if you follow me on Instagram already, then you know my grandmother, my mother, my sister, and everyone. So I'm going to introduce them to the YouTube channel, and you're going to see more of them. So make sure you subscribe, like, because we're going to keep this channel growing. Shout out to everyone who already follows me. I appreciate it. Let's go.
And a little bit more. I don't know how you like it.
What's up, it's QueenSit, and today I got some exciting news. I'm getting ready to hang out with my family, and guess who I have with me today? You already know who it is. She gotta watch the road. You gotta watch the road because I'm not in the motorcycle today. Ooh, it's a car. Okay. So welcome to St. Louis, where cars don't care about any kind of traffic stops or anything like that. But I'm not on my bike today because I'm in the car because it's gonna be pretty fun tonight. So we want to make sure we can relax and enjoy the night. And my best friend came and picked me up. I'm thinking, look at that, it's a lot of people over there. I need to go visit them one day. Okay, cool. It's a lot of people out today. Yeah. All right, so anyway, we have a seafood night at my aunt's house. So we were supposed to go get the crab legs, but my aunt's gonna get them for me. So we're just gonna head out there and meet everybody. You all have already met my family for the most part, so you'll probably recognize some familiar faces, especially if you follow me on Instagram. Let's go. And we are here. Everyone's car is here. How you feel?
Great.
We got, I had to bring the aluminum foil because they forgot it. Give me it in the good light. Can you see?
Baby, watch, you only got one.
One what?
Aluminum foil.
Y'all said only bring.
Oh my God, she only got one.
Y'all said bring aluminum foil. You know what I'm saying? Like, what are y'all doing?
Where's my t-shirt?
What t-shirt?
Look, you gonna put me in the drawing so I get free lessons?
Yeah.
No, you did. No, you did. I've been planning on calling you about that. I want my free lessons.
What kind of t-shirt it is?
You wearing it?
My motorcycle t-shirt.
Why you ain't got it on? Don't put me on no
You know who I saw?
Instagram, diagram, and
Y'all gonna be in my YouTube video. QueenSit, that was fun.
QueenSit, baby, representing as well.
Boy, y'all better get y'all one. Look at it.
All right.
Period.
I'm tired
It's going down.
And then I said again.
Miss Iris over here. You ready for the crab legs? Don't put you don't want to.
I'm the whole mama, baby.
Who mama you is?
QueenSit, baby.
My back hurt.
Boy, do 10 push-ups to help him. Oh, he gonna just knock him out. One. Oh, I bet you ain't gonna make no muscle. I bet you ain't gonna make. What we got going on? You want to tell people what you got going on?
We have a seafood boil. So we have crab legs. We have corn. We got potatoes. And baby, we got 5 pans of these.
5 pans?
5 pans. So they better eat all this food.
So it's all you can eat?
All you can eat buffet.
It's all you can eat buffet. We got potatoes over here.
Potatoes. Corn.
What you season it with? What kind of spices?
So this is like Old Bay seasoning, and we have garlic mince, and we have garlic butter. Want some more?
Oh, and we got butter. We got butter. So you got got the whole setup for
Got the whole set up with the butter. Yes, look at that.
Oh my god.
Okay. I missed it.
Oh my god.
There go your butter. Hey.
Oh my goodness. My grandma took my hat, so
Got your stuff.
excuse my hair.
Now, spice.
Okay, so like I told you, I don't think I told you, but my best friend has never had crab legs. So today is gonna be the first time that she tries crab legs. Are you excited? I am. You've never had crab legs. Are you nervous?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna like it.
You don't like seafood though.
No, I'm growing up, so I think I'm gonna like it.
All right, so we'll be able to see. This for Ashley.
How are you, Donnell?
It ain't for her.
Yeah.
She ain't never had crab legs.
Neither. It's like super close.
No, it's not.
Is that?
Ash, I was trying to break you out a good one. Now put,
So I don't even know.
pull that out.
What do I do?
You might need to wait for the next one.
Eat the meat.
Oh, that's good.
I had lobster and I like that, so I think I'm gonna like it. Dip it. Okay, so I just take it and dip it.
It's good.
It's gonna be good.
Okay, well, cool.
I can't believe you.
It's delicious.
You like it?
I do.
I'm not.
Wait. Whoa, well, why are you so close?
I'm not close.
I told her.
It's literally so good.
For real?
It doesn't even taste good.
It don't taste like seafood, do it?
No. Or it doesn't have that strong seafood taste.
You want to get something?
Far.
You want like
Far.
It is.
It's your first time?
First time ever.
First
You
time.
love them?
Yes.
Yeah, say fire.
Oh, you might as well get you a rack then. You might as well get you a rack. Let's get you something.
I don't know how to crack them and stuff.
You don't know how to what?
Crack them. You gotta crack
Alright. So you
Just that enough right there too.
this good right here. This is a good starter
I
kit.
saw this meme and it was like, crabs don't know how good their effing legs are.
Anything you see.
I do. Their legs are good.
Like good. You don't need no butter. Like good. You don't need no butter for this.
You don't need no butter.
It tastes like
Hey, boss
like
man.
good.
Boss man. Don't be the
Butter for me.
It be the butter for me.
It be the butter for me.
So you're gonna rip that leg off that piece right
I
there.
did.
Oh no, rip it off that whole thing.
Oh, okay.
Pull it off.
I'm struggling. I don't know how. Okay. There we go. Okay.
Crack it in half.
So now rip it right down here. Yep. Not that hard. You gotta be gentle with the leg. You gotta be gentle with the leg.
It's so good.
It's our first time. It's our first time.
We went to that video.
Ever.
Never.
She's never ate crab.
You remember when you went to
Don't hold the red button.
No, it's already going.
What's going on today?
So what's going on is my best friend never had crab legs before. I don't know how that happened.
Is this a vlog? Yeah.
Yeah, this is
It's YouTube. So I'm trying to record it, but I'm hungry, so I want to eat myself, but I gotta record her experience. Okay, one more.